Good day and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful combat pocket on your screen. Let's get right into the video. So right now you cut your material and fold it by 1.5 inch. So right now we cut and fix our hemming gum to hold the edge together because we'll not be sewing it. You first measure out your pocket size, which is 4.5 for this one, and then you dress it. We also measure the length, which is 6 inches. Then you fold it down. So right now we measure the allowance. What I want is 1.5 inches all round. All the allowances must be equal, 1.5 inch. Same with the down. So right now I fold it by ½ inch. So have 1 inch left for the combat. Take your time, guys, make sure you are getting it well. Don't be in a rush. So now we get the edge lines because that will serve as a guide for our sewing. Alright, right now you see these edge lines, we'll keep them together and sew on it. The two edge lines will touch themselves. We'll do the same thing for the second part. Alright, so that's it. You can see how it looks. Then we'll sew with top stitch all around. And you get to the edge, you arrange it. Make sure you maintain your folding lines all around. That's very, very important. Good. So right now I'll be marking out the pocket shape, how we'll place our pockets. Now you're marking it out using the actual size. So now we'll cut off the allowances, and then we'll sew. Make sure you place it inside the chalk, and make sure your sewing doesn't exceed the line you marked. So guys, at this point, if you've not subscribed to our channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, like our videos, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Alright, on this channel we'll post content about tailoring, about fashion design, so you will never be bored. So guys, hit the button now and become part of our family. We have a WhatsApp group where we chat, where we discuss styles and other things. So in case you're not part of that group, please click on the description. You'll see the link to the group there. Come and join us in the family. We'll be glad to welcome you. See you there. Right now, we'll top stitch at the edge of the pocket, like 1 inch. Just top stitch it to hold it together. So right now guys, I've cut out the pocket cover. The pocket cover I cut out 2.5 by the width of the pocket, which is 4.5. With this is a thick collar gum, and you dress it, and then we go ahead to sew it. So now we top stitch on the pocket cover. Make sure your showing allowance doesn't show. Then afterwards, we'll now go and dress it for fixing. As you can see, I've dressed it and I've ironed it. Now it's time to fix it to the pocket. So right now you sew at the pressing line, which is where my collar gum ended. And then after that, we shape off the excess allowance. This is very, very important before you cover it. Otherwise, the the allowance will be showing inside your pocket, and you won't like that. So we'll top stitch on it, just about a 1/4 inch, the final top stitch, and that will be all. So thank you guys for sticking to the end of this tutorial. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, guys. This is how it looks. See you in the next class.